Hey everybody, it's LavenderTowne today with my real face because we're doing a real video where I show you around my studio as well as the rest of my apartment. I do this from time to time when I move to a new place, and I am now in LA, so I thought it would be fun to show you guys around. So first you go through here. It's a glass door, very cool. There's a lot of cool bamboo and stuff out there, and luckily these glass doors are pretty good at keeping out sound because LA can be kind of noisy with sirens and stuff. So right over here we have my workstation. I turned off the screens because otherwise they blow out the lighting of the video. I sit in a Secret Lab Omega chair. It's like a gamer chair. I really like it. And I keep this blanket here so if I get cold I can use that. And I also have this little salt lamp. It just adds such a nice warm light in here. My water bottle, I drink from this every single day. I have this polka dot plant, this other plant I actually don't know, it's some kind of ivy, and then this beautiful fern. These are all real and I love them very much. My mom gave them to me as housewarming gifts and I just really like them. And here's the little controller for this ring light. This helps me get better lighting for my stream. This is my my mouse pad. It has Majima from Yakuza Kiwami. It's a game I really like. This is my custom keyboard. I made it myself. I really like how it sounds. This is a custom cable that I got. It's got like a pastel rainbow look, and I also have this little guy who matches like almost perfectly with it. And up here is the big ol' iMac that I do everything on. This is like the 2015 model, so it's getting a little old, but it still works great for me. This is my editing program of choice. You can see I already have some footage in here for this room tour, and it just has tons and tons of different projects that I've been working on. This is where I do all the editing, Final Cut. It's great. Usually have my own channel back there as well, just to give me I guess ideas, stuff like that, and OBS for recording when I'm working on here. This is a tablet that I was given for a sponsorship, but it ended up being my favorite screen tablet, so I'm still using it. It's the XP Pen 16-inch Innovator. The only problem with it that I've found is it's so easy to damage. Like, look at this. That looks like dirt. It's not, it's a divot. I don't know how I did that, but that's really the only downside to this guy. And back here is a big old mess of shoes. Oh no, I didn't put my shoes away. This is a very authentic tour because I didn't clean up too much beforehand, so you can see how it's like to really be in here. These are my iconic My Melody Crocs. I got these in Kyoto. They're very comfy and very great. And then these are I call them my Beth Harmon shoes. These are great too. Over here, we just have a bunch of masks. My Polaroid, my T-Rex bag, and 2 juice box bags. They're very cute. And over here is the star of the show, my little ratter. Let's see if she's awake. Oh, hello. She's like, why are you bugging me in the middle of the afternoon? This is when she likes to sleep normally. Oh, sorry, sweetie. I'll leave you alone. She's in her house. Her cage looks like a mess, but I actually just cleaned it. She just likes it to be like this. Just gives her a lot of space to get all cuddly in there. She's really tired though. Let's leave her alone. I put my plaques up here because I'm really scared of damaging the walls. This is my 100,000 subscriber plaque. Here's my 1 million. Here is a beautiful little painting that my mom got for me because it looks just like parsnip. This was a gift from Casey Golden, and here are some Polaroids of the ratters. This is my big ring light. This one shoots off of the opposite wall, and this wall is kept intentionally blank and plain so that it works really well for that. And if you'd like to listen to some music, I do have a record player right here. Let's see what sort of amazing vinyl hits we have on today. Oh, would you look at that? So, you know, I only have the finest, most vintage records. This is the Undertale full collection. I just got this, so I've been playing it nonstop. I also have, I gotta come around this way. I also have a bunch of other records, a lot of video game records actually. I have the Deltarune soundtrack, I have Valhalla soundtrack, even though I wasn't a huge fan of the game, I really liked the music, and then Stardew Valley's full set, as well as some just random stuff. Like I got the Baby Driver soundtrack because I was really into Baby Driver, and music was a big part of that. I have these cute little strawberry salt and pepper shakers, but this one came without a stopper, so now this one's just decorative, but this one has salt in it. I use this old this old like face mist thing, but now I just filled it with water and I spray my plants with it, and I also water my plants with this. And then here's my, wow, limited edition LavenderTowne plush. This is the first model that they sent to me that was like the finalized version, and I was like, this looks great. So that's like the very first one. And a Ditto Sylveon, just too cute. This is a Sailor Moon music box. It plays the Sailor Moon song. And some washi tapes. They're kind of overflowing right now. Over here is my kitchen. It's very fancy and minimalist looking. The oven is in the cabinets, which I had never seen before, but it's kind of cool. And here's the stove. It doesn't look like a stove. It just looks like a weird sheet of glass. Very cool. And then here is the living room. Very cozy modular couch. When we have guests over, sometimes they can sleep on this couch because you can kind of make it into two different beds. And then here we have all my like anime stuff. We got a bunch of plushes and just various different figurines and whatnot. Lucky Star stuff. A whole bunch of Madoka and Homura. I have the Undertale Collector's Edition art book and some stuff from the Danganronpa Cafe, which we also got when we were in Japan. Very cool. Then we got some, yeah, just, you've seen most of the stuff in my previous tour, so I'm not going to go piece by piece. We got Sans plush. And I have some figures here that I don't even really know the source material from. Just because I got too attached from them getting them out of a crane machine, so. But some of the stuff, like the Madoka stuff, obviously, I got on purpose. The Rem, not so much. I was really happy when I got her out of the crane machine, so she lives here, even though I'd never really watched ReZero. Sorry, Rem. Here's the TV. We got a little sound bar to make this sound a little better. And then here's where we charge our Joy-Cons and keep the Switch games and one of the Switch docks. And here's the PS5, pride and joy. Ignore the cable management, it's a nightmare, but we finally got a PS5. That was really exciting. Alright, so here's the full gamer setup. I got this little lumpy little cat paw pillow. I got this like ages ago at an anime convention. And my bunny gamer chair. This is not nearly as comfortable as the Secret Lab one, just FYI. Here's my extremely loud, extremely aggro keyboard. I have some custom keycaps as well as this fidget spinner one that I like to play with. And this one's really cool. The actual astronaut helmet flips up. Very neat. Oh, I've been playing a lot of The Sims. I also play a lot of DBD, so there's a lot of good Ghostface stuff, and this Hex Totem, which my sister got for me for my birthday. Very cool. This is my Holy Grail figure. I love her so much, and I got her 50% off because you can't really tell, but her bow was snapped in half when I received her, which they did warn me about, so that's why she was so cheap. But yeah, very worth it to me. And then I got this very cool old retro Lucky Star figure I found in Akihabara for very cheap, and then a little prize figure of Miku that I just thought was cute. Another Miku prize figure, my Isabelle Nendroid, and the PC that I made. I already talked about that. That was before cryptocurrency made it kind of impossible to get a graphics card, but you know. Sun's coming in kind of beautifully right now, so you can kind of see, it's just nice vibes. Yeah, I got a lot of pillows and blankets, so it's comfy. Here's a Keanu pillow that Jamie got for me. Thanks, Jamie. It's definitely one of the weirder pieces of furniture in my house. or I guess accessories. Oh, parsnips. Drinking some water, nice. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed looking around my studio as well as other random parts of the apartment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much to my patrons, including Kelly Halsey, Kubaroshi, Mumulk, Alana the Artist, Rylan Parker, Rylan, Kadaria, Something Super, Deadly Nightshade Art, Maria Vasquez, Astral Fox Art, Middle Z, Lilia Lur, The Espresso Poker Face, Morrissey, Axolotl, Chris Draws, Kai Kieser, Subaki, The Becky, Liliana Hammondtree, Mia Lavali, Angel File, Cutie Pie, Nicole Ludwak, Nicolette Queen, Rainwater Pearls, Ice Cream Pal, Lion, Ilaria Louie, Nora Cornelison, Cola, Rachel Singh, Yoboya C, JJ Jade, and of course, blah 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 blah.